Good morning, Bike Bandit fans. This is Micah Davis here. Today we're going to get started on our part 2 of the Honda CRF 450X Dream Bike build. Let's get started on the teardown. Alright, so the chain master link is fused on there. I mean, this chain's probably original. So I got my angle grinder. I'm going to cut it off. I'm getting a new one, so it really doesn't matter. So speed up the process a little. Alright, just pulled the carb out. I'm definitely going to thoroughly clean this thing, run it through an ultrasonic cleaner, and get it as good as I possibly can, because when I rode it the first time, it definitely had a flat spot, and I could tell that it wasn't jetted properly. So, you know, this is a very, very key part to one of these old 450s. I mean, if you're, or any bike that's carbureted for that matter, but, you know, it's definitely important compared to these new bikes where you just, you know, click a button and ride the damn thing. So yeah, this frame is definitely really rough. I would have to spend a lot of time with Scotch-Brite and steel wool to get it where I wanted it, but I got a good idea. I think we'll try it out, but you guys have to stay tuned. I'm not going to tell you yet what we're actually going to do until we get it all assembled, so stay tuned. Alright, so we just got the motor out of the bike. I needed a second set of hands, so Matt helped me out and set down the camera, but now we're going to move on. We're moving the forks and the front wheel. Alrighty, finally the bike's all torn down and we can move forward. So the suspension and wheels are going to be sent off to get rebuilt, along with a few other parts, but most of the parts are going to be cleaned and rebuilt by myself, like the carburetor and all the linkage and bearings and everything. It's going to be a lot of elbow grease, but it's definitely going to be worth it when it's finished. I really want to thank Bike Bandit especially for helping me out with this project and really bringing it to light. I've been wanting to do something like this for a few years now, and yeah, it's really cool to be able to bring this dream and make it reality. So this 06 CRF 450X RC 250 replica is underway, and I'm really excited for you guys to see it. I mean, like and subscribe and follow us on this journey, and we'll see you on the trails.